Hey, what is up guys? So I hope that all of you are doing well. So as we know that the iOS 26 beta version is now available to install on the Apple devices. And with the new update you get to see a liquid glass redesigned theme for the apps. So today in this video I will show you that how you can get that theme on your Galaxy S24 Ultra. First of all, search for OneGlass 7 on your Play Store app and simply install this icon pack. After installing this OneGlass 7 icon pack, you just have to close it, and now you have to install another application named as GoodLock application. You can install this GoodLock application from the Galaxy Store or the Play Store app of your smartphone. After downloading the GoodLock application, simply open it and tap on Theme Park. You will have to install this theme park from the GoodLock, and in the theme park tap on Icons. Then tap on Create New. From here you have to select Icon Pack. After tapping on Icon Pack, you will have to tap on OneGlass. Now over here you will have to wait for a while. Now simply tap on this download option. Now you will have to name it. So I will randomly name it over here Glass. After naming it, you just have to simply tap on OK. And after tapping on OK, you will have to wait. Now your theme will be saved and you will have to tap on it and tap on apply. And once the theme is applied, you are good to go. As you can see, now you can get this liquid glass redesigned theme on your Galaxy S24 Ultra. And the best part is that all of the apps are completely functional and there is no lag while opening and closing of these apps. All these new app icons are giving your device a fresh new feel and look. All of the system apps will be changed to this icon. Some of them might appear a bit dark. If you want to get the default, so simply go back into the theme park and tap on default, then apply it, and the default icon pack will be applied on your device now. The default icon pack is of the One UI 7. And that's a wrap for today's video. This is how you can apply the iOS 26 app icons on your Galaxy S24 Ultra. If you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe.